How to reset Discord setting. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you reset Discord settings. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Discord with your account. Alright, so after you open the Discord with your account, you'll get such interface. So from here you'll have to just go the setting icon just at the bottom left corner. So simply click on this gear icon. Alright, so from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and go the option voice and video. Alright, so from here, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like reset voice settings. So simply click on it. Alright, from here, click on OK. Alright, so after you reset voice settings, you'll have to just open the settings again. So click on the gear icon. And now from here, you'll have to just scroll down and go the options like languages. So simply you have to click on it. Alright, so from here you can also reset the language of Discord. So after you reset the language and voice and video, you'll be able to reset every settings on your Discord. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.